Good morning, students of class 3. It's your science class, and today we will start our new chapter, that is light, sound, and force. So, first, our topic is light. So, what is light? Light is the form of energy. It helps us to see the object around us. So, there are two sources of light, natural source and man-made source. Natural source of light, the light which exist in nature naturally, as like sun, star. And man-made source of light, the source of light which are made by man, as like bulb, torch, diya, etc. The sun is the largest source of light on the earth. Sunlight enables us to see the world around us during the daytime. So students, I think you have understood what is light and the sources of light. Now, during daytime, we are able to see the world around us due to the sun's light. But at night, we use man-made sources of light such as bulbs, lamps and candles. So students, the object that give out light are called luminous object. Okay, the object which gives light are called luminous objects. Example, bulb, torch, diyas, candle, etc. Now, the object which do not give out light, those are called non-luminous object, and we can see non-luminous object through the luminous object. The non-luminous objects are book, pencils and plants. If there will be no light, we can't see non-luminous object. Fireflies and the glowworms, these are also natural sources of light and they produce their own light. So they are called luminous animals. Okay, we are able to see these insects, these animals during the night when there is no light, because these are luminous animals and they produce their own light. Now our next topic is shadow. What is shadow? The dark patch of the object formed on the any surface. Okay, that is called shadow. Dark patch which is formed on the any surface, that is called shadow. That surface may be wall, floor, etc. anything. Now guys, you know how the light travels. Light travels in a straight line. Light always travels in a straight line. Okay? So, how shadow formed? When any object comes in the mid of way of light, then the shadow is formed. Because light always travels in a straight line, and when any objects come in the way of light, light cannot pass through it. Then it forms the shadow on the other surface. And shadow always form in opposite side of the source of light. Okay, shadow always form on the opposite side of the source of light. So students, what we have learned, what is shadow? Shadow is the dark patch, dark colored patch formed on any surface when any object blocks the way of light. The dark patch of that object is formed on the surface, and this dark patch is called shadow. So today we will recapitulate our chapter, what we have learned today. So first we have learned about the light. What is light? Light is the form of energy. It helps us to see the objects around us. Now, there are two sources of light: natural source of light and man-made source of light. So, the natural source of light are sun, star, glower, etc. And the man-made sources of light are bulb, tube lights, torch, diya, candle, etc. Now the object which produce their own light, which have their own light, those are called luminous object. And the object which do not produce their own light, we are able to see those objects with the help of luminous object. Those are called non-luminous object. Example of non-luminous objects are book, pencils, plants, car, etc. Light always travels in a straight line. Now, what is shadow? The dark patch of the object formed on the surface is called shadow. Shadow is formed when any object blocks the way of light. The shadow is formed on the opposite side of the source of light. So girls, today we have learned about light and shadow. So you have to read these all and learn what is light and what is shadow. So that's all for today. Thank you.